Picture this. You're scrolling through YouTube late at night and suddenly you're transported to a hidden beach in Bali. The next thing you know, you're booking flights. Sound familiar? Welcome to the power of travel videos, the secret weapon behind your wanderlust and your shrinking bank account. But here's the plot twist. What if you could be on the other side of the camera, creating that irresistible content and actually making money from it? On YouTube, there's a goldmine of channels thriving off of the travel niche. We're talking over millions of subscribers and views that'll make your head spin. But guess what? These channels' bank accounts aren't just bulging from YouTube ad revenue. Nope, they've tapped into the gold mine of brand deals. We're talking hotels, travel agencies, even those websites you use to snag cheap flights. They're all lining up to throw money at travel content creators. And trust me, their pockets are deeper than the Mariana Trench. Now, I know what you're thinking. But Mr. Only, I can't jet set around the world. Well, don't worry about any of that because I'm about to blow your mind. You don't need a passport or a pretty face to cash in on this trend. I've got a secret weapon that'll make your videos pop like a firework on New Year's Eve. Stick with me and I'll reveal everything, from hunting down viral-worthy topics to conjuring up professional voiceovers with AI magic. We'll dive into the art of finding footage that looks like it cost a fortune, spoiler, it didn't, and editing tricks that'll make your videos smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy. First, let's talk about finding a topic. How can we do that? It's actually pretty easy. Open an incognito window in your browser and start searching for travel-related topics. YouTube will suggest trending keywords related to your search. On top of that, you can create a list of your competitor channels and look for videos with high views and engagement. This method is proven to find quality topics for your videos. For example, if you search for top 10 places to visit in the autumn, YouTube might suggest top 10 places to visit in August. And by the way, put note to yourself on 24th of August, it is a big day. Why? Well, it's my birthday. Now we can go on. You'll also see videos from your competitors. Take ideas from these videos and use your creativity to create even better content. Their audience will soon start following your channel if you consistently deliver high-quality content. Now that we have our topic, let's move on to script writing. Today, I'm introducing a revolutionary AI tool called DupDub that can handle script writing, voiceovers, and editing all in one place. Go ahead and open your browser, search for DupDub AI, and sign in. Let's start with the AI script writing tool. Click on Ask AI and select Video Script. Enter your video topic, and within seconds, you'll have a full script. But make sure to personalize and edit this script to make it engaging. You can also do some research on your topic to add valuable information. Next, let's generate a voiceover. DupDub can create voiceovers without needing to pay for other tools. You can even use different voices for different parts of the script if needed. This is perfect for podcast-style videos with multiple speakers. Now, before generating the voiceover, customize your script to remove unnecessary words. Choose a voice, set the language, gender, age, style, and quality, and generate your voiceover. To make your voiceover sound natural, DupDub offers features to change pronunciation, add pauses, and set timing. For instance, you can adjust how acronyms are pronounced or add pauses for effect. Once you're happy with the settings, export your voiceover. Now here's a unique method to stand out. Create an AI avatar for your introduction. This will help people recognize your videos and establish your channel's identity. Like me. Use an image generator tool like Playground AI to create a unique avatar. Enter a detailed prompt, specifying the type of clothes, hair, and background you want. Choose the style and dimensions, and generate your avatar. Once you have an image you like, download it and upload it to DupDub AI. Enter your introduction script, select a voice, and generate the avatar video. Next, let's gather background footage and images related to your script. Websites like Envato Elements offer amazing footage, including 4K drone shots, which will make your video look stunning. For free options, check out Pexels and Pixabay, or download images from Google. High-quality visuals are crucial for keeping your audience engaged and making your video look professional. With all your materials ready, it's time to edit your video. You can use any editing software you prefer, or try DupDub's editing tool. Import all your videos, images, and voiceovers. Add the avatar video to the timeline, then add the voiceover track. Arrange the images and videos according to the places mentioned in the voiceover. Add text boxes to display place names so viewers can easily follow along. Use transitions and effects to make your video more attractive, and generate subtitles if needed. And if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button for this channel. Surprisingly, about 90% of the viewers who watch regularly aren't subscribed yet. Let's go ahead and change that stat. Your subscription really supports the channel, and I totally appreciate it. Now that I've taught you what to do, let's look at my example script and how to put it all together in a demo video. So, let's get into editing. Import all your videos, images, and voiceover files into your editing software. Once everything is loaded up, arrange your clips. Start with the avatar video for the introduction right at the beginning of the timeline. Then, follow up with the voiceover track and line up the corresponding images and videos for each location you mention. Next, add text boxes to show the names of the places. Make sure these text boxes are easy to read but don't cover up important parts of the visuals. To keep things smooth, add transitions between clips. Use effects here and there to enhance the visuals, but don't go overboard because you want to keep it clean and professional. If your editing tool supports it, generate subtitles to make your video accessible to more people. Finally, review the entire video to ensure everything looks good and flows well. Make any adjustments you need, then export the video in high quality. And there you have it, your video is ready to wow your audience.
Hey travelers! Welcome back to our channel. With autumn in full swing, it's time to explore some of the best destinations to visit in August. Whether you're looking for beaches, festivals, or outdoor adventures, we've got you covered. So, grab your sunglasses and let's dive into the top 10 places to travel to in August. First up, we have Santorini, Greece. Famous for its stunning sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and turquoise waters, Santorini is a summer paradise. July offers perfect weather.
Once your video is ready, it's time to promote it. Share your video on social media, travel forums, and any other platforms where your target audience is active. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and share your video to help grow your channel. As your channel grows, you can start monetizing it through YouTube ads and brand sponsorships. In the travel niche, potential sponsors include hotels, travel agencies, tour operators, and flight booking websites. These sponsors often have big budgets, making it a lucrative opportunity. Reach out to potential sponsors with a professional pitch highlighting your channel's reach and engagement. Creating successful travel videos on YouTube is an exciting and rewarding endeavor. By finding trending topics, using AI tools for script writing and voiceovers, gathering high-quality footage, and editing engaging videos, you can attract a large audience and monetize your content. Remember to promote your videos and engage with your viewers to build a loyal following. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful travel channel. Want to dabble into more content creation? Check out my video where I show you how to make animated short stories for a viral niche. If you enjoyed this guide and want more detailed tutorials, let me know in the comments. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder, and keep creating awesome content.